We're in Jasper, Oregon. It's August 14th. We're prepared to blast a basement. I've drilled 32 holes in preparation for this, ranging from about 2 feet to 6 feet in depth. Here they are.
So here's shot number one, where we're going to attach our blasting cap. We're going to peel back this corner and blow all the way back here. "32 holes filled with a stick of slurry and ANFO to our last non-L cap, flagged to see if the whole circuit went, to make sure there's no misfire.
Hey, here we are.
Okay,
This is gonna be.
I'm gonna suck in behind this tree. Okay.
I'm gonna suck in behind Jack here.
Okay, let's shoot it.
All right, ready?
Yeah, nice and loud.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
The rock is broke up just enough to easily remove with an excavator. The shot was perfect. After the basement blast, it was time to take out a couple tree stumps.
So what we're doing today is we're cutting a utility trench through some bedrock. We're covering the blast holes with geotech fabric and heavy lumber to keep the fly rock down.
As the trench runs closer to the neighbor's house, the charges get lighter and more dirt stemming is used to avoid fly rock. Thanks for joining us, and as always, blasting can be very dangerous. Do not try this at home.